Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Illustrator tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can create a geometric abstract shape using Illustrator. So we're going to start off by selecting Window, then we want to select Layers, and then this will bring up the Layers dialog box. We then want to select the small circle icon, which will allow us to amend the appearance of this particular layer within Illustrator. We then want to head over to Effect, Distort Transform, and we want to select Transform. This will bring up the Transform Effect dialog box where you want to amend some of these settings. So Scale and Move we want to remain at the existing settings, and then we want to change the Rotate to be, say, 320, and then we also want to ensure that the Reflect X and Reflect Y has also been checked. So we're going to select those check boxes, and then we're going to ensure that there's 25 copies, and then select OK. We're then going to change our foreground colour, so we're just going to ensure that there's no foreground colour selected, and just have a border of black as the stroke. And then we're going to head over to the shape tools, and we're going to select the ellipse tool, and all we're going to simply do is hold on to Shift on the keyboard and draw out a circle. Hold on to Shift will keep it in proportion. Once we've created one circle, we would then want to create another circle. And there you go, we've created a unique abstract shape pattern in a matter of seconds with Illustrator. If you're not quite happy with the shape, you can just keep drawing out circles and it will amend the abstract shape for us. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Illustrator.